How to backup Gmail account data to PC in PST, EML, PDF, MBOX, and MSG. Introducing SysTools Gmail Backup Software. Securely backup Gmail emails, contacts, calendars, and Google Drive documents to your local system. Key features of the software. Multiple export formats. Backup Gmail emails with attachments into PST, MBOX, EML, PDF, and MSG formats. Complete data backup. Save and backup complete data, including emails, contacts, VCF, calendars, ICS, and Google Drive files. Advanced filter options. Apply date filters, choose folders, and use incremental backup for efficient data management. Detailed backup reports. Generate summary and detailed CSV reports while maintaining folder hierarchy. Outlook installation not required. To download the software, go to Google and search for SysTools Gmail Backup Tool. Click on top search result that leads to the SysTools official website. On the product page, choose Windows or Mac and click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the SysTools Gmail Backup software on your system. This is the main interface of the Gmail Backup tool. Here, the software displays multiple destination formats, such as PST, MBOX, File System, PDF, and MSG. Simply select the preferred format according to your needs. Next, move to the Workload Selection section and choose the data categories you want to include in the backup. You can selectively export items such as emails, documents, contacts, and calendars based on your requirements. If you need to back up data from a specific time period, enable the Date Filter option and define the desired date range. If required, enable the Delete Email option to automatically remove the selected data from your Gmail account after the backup is completed. Similarly, you can repeat the same process for other data categories, such as contacts, calendars, and documents, according to your requirements. Now, click Next. Enter your Gmail email address and click Sign in with Gmail. After signing in, carefully review the Grant User Consent instructions and proceed by clicking Move to Permission Grant page. Enter the email ID and click Next. Enter the password. Click Next. Click Continue. Grant the necessary permissions to the application by marking the checkboxes and clicking Continue. You will see a confirmation that the authorization was successful. Once authorization is successful, the permissions will be validated within the tool. Now, click Next to continue with the backup process. Here, click the Browse Folder Path option and select the destination folder where you want to save the exported emails. After choosing the location, use the drop-down menu to specify the desired PST file size. Now, click Validate button. Once everything is configured correctly, click the Next button to proceed with the export process. Next, click the Fetch Workload Folders button to load the available data folders from your Gmail account. Once the loading process is complete, click OK. You will see a list of folders for the selected workload. Each workload will be in its own specific tab, such as Emails, Document, Contact, and Calendar. Choose the folders you want to back up by selecting the corresponding checkboxes. After selecting the required folders, click the Start Backup button located in the top right corner of the screen. A confirmation window will appear, displaying the license details, including the total licenses purchased, licenses currently in use, and the number of available licenses. Click the Start button. The software will then start exporting the selected data to the chosen destination format and location. It displays a real-time dashboard where you can monitor the backup progress for emails, documents, contacts, and calendars, along with the status of completed and pending items. If required, you can stop the backup process at any time by clicking the Stop Backup button available at the top right corner of the dashboard. This helps pause the ongoing backup whenever needed. Once the backup is completed successfully, you can choose from several post-backup options using the Rerun Backup feature. Retry failed items. Back up any items that were not processed successfully. Rerun full backup. Perform the entire backup process again. Delta Backup. Backup only new or modified data since the last backup. Delete backed up items from source. Remove the original data from the source after verifying a successful backup to free up storage space. Click Download Report to export the backup reports. The tool provides two report types: the Backup Summary Report, which gives an overview of the backup process, and the Detailed Report, which contains complete backup activity information. Finally, navigate to the destination folder to find your backed up PST file. And that's how you can securely back up your Gmail emails, contacts, calendars, and Google Drive data to your local system. Visit the product page for more details and purchase the tool. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.